Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti from anthonymorganti.com and from my new website, onlinephotographytraining.com. I haven't done any videos this week, and I wanted to just give this short video to give you an update about what I've been doing. Well, mainly, I've been working on the new website, and it kind of demanded a lot of my time this week. But I will be working through the weekend to do some training videos. I'm going to be doing another on-one training video, and I want to start that Lightroom series. I don't have it fully outlined yet, though, but I hope to start that as well. Also, I've been working on doing some videos outside of software training, where I'll be out in the field teaching photography. I have all the equipment I need to do that. I'm just lining up the people to actually make that happen. So hopefully that will be happening very soon as well. Now, as far as the website, a quick update. It's working great. I got a lot of great reviews on it. I have a lot of the articles and videos from the old website transferred over. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you would have saw that I had written about that it's not a simple cut and paste job. The old website really was archaic. It wasn't, I'm not capable of just like copying and pasting articles and videos from the old website to the new one. So I have to really do quite a bit of rewriting to get them into the new website. But it was a necessary evil. It was something that had to be done because the old website wasn't working well. So the new one's working great. And as far as that newsletter, if you want to subscribe, go to onlinephotographytraining.com and just scroll down and look on the right-hand panel and you could subscribe to the newsletter. Now, the main thing I've been working on this week is the marketplace, where I'll be selling all the PDFs, videos, ebooks, presets, profiles, LUT files, RAW files, and cheat sheets. And you could access it from the main website, which we're looking at now. At the very top, if you're on a desktop or laptop computer, you can see there's a link for the marketplace. And there's also this link right here where I have PDFs, videos, ebooks, presets. So you could click on there. If you're on a mobile device, you won't have this menu way up here at the top. You'll have it way at the bottom. So go down to the bottom and you can click on Marketplace. So if you do that and you click on it, you're brought over to the Marketplace website, which is a separate website. And the URL for this website is onlinephotographytraining.shop. So this is just where I will have all the Lightroom presets, profiles, and as you can see, all these little like boxes here. So if you're interested, let's say in Lightroom profiles, you could click on that. And then I'll have videos where needed to explain what the product is, and then the actual buy button so you could purchase the product. And then across the top here, if you want to jump between different items, you can here. So if you're interested, let's say in on-one presets, you could just click right there and jump over to the on-one presets, or Luminar presets. You could jump right there. So it's easy to navigate around. If you want to get back to the original main website, right at the top, it says Online Photography Training main website. Click on that, and you're back to the main website. So that's it. That's what I've been doing all week. I know I'm a little delayed in getting stuff out, so I apologize for that. I'll be, again, working through the weekend to get some videos done, some actual training videos done. So look for those very soon. And I appreciate everyone's kind comments on the new website. It was a lot of hard work, so I really do appreciate everyone's encouragement and support. That's it for this video. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I truly do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.